para mas bongga ang amoy. And since wala akong mahabang, ayan yung chili, ito na lang, sliced jalapenos, guys. So, ayan na. Ready to serve. Great day. So today in this video, I'm gonna cook a nilagang baka, or should I say bulalo, my version. So ito guys, pinakuluan ko na siya ng isang beses para makuha ang kanyang fats. And here's the rest of my ingredients. I have a cabbage kasi wala nga akong pichay. Meron akong corn, a slice of onion, spring onions, yung jalapeno peppers, garlic, yung ginger, at saka yung aking green bean. So, yeah, yun yung ulam natin today, and I'm planning to do a mukbang. That's why. So guys, in this pot, I have a cleared water, and then I'm gonna put the beef. We're gonna let it boil until it's softened. Next, I'm gonna put in the onion, tsaka yung ginger, para mas bongga ang bango. Lambot na yung ating beef. Ilagay na natin yung green bean. Let's cover it for another 2 minutes. Look at that, looks so yummy. And then we're gonna put the cabbage since I don't have pichay. I'm gonna cover it and simmer it for another 2 minutes. And then it's ready for... Yay! Ready na siya. So, let's dig in. By the way, I need to put the spring onion. Mas bongga ang amoy. And since wala akong mahabang, ayan yung chili, ito na lang, sliced jalapenos, guys. So, ayan na. Ready to serve. Yay! Meet my pinasarap na beef bulalo. Thank you for watching.